You think you know your Toyota. You think you've mastered every button, every dial, every function. But the truth? 99% of Toyota owners are missing out on features that were built in from the factory. Hidden, silent, designed to make your car easier, safer, and smarter. Not hacks, not aftermarket tricks. These are real, thoughtful systems Toyota engineers designed years ago, quietly working in the background, waiting for someone to notice. And once you do, your Toyota stops feeling like a machine and starts feeling like it's actually taking care of you. Let's start with something that sounds almost too simple to be true, yet is shockingly overlooked. Your key fob. You use it every day to lock or unlock your doors, but most drivers don't know it can do much more. Press and hold the unlock button on many Toyota models, and watch as all your windows roll down automatically. Yes, all of them, without touching a single switch inside. Why? Because Toyota thought ahead. When a car sits in the blazing sun, temperatures inside can soar, stressing plastics, electronics, and air conditioning systems. By venting the cabin before you step inside, your AC doesn't have to work overtime, and your interior lasts longer. It's a small action that saves money, protects components, and feels downright magical in the summer. Then there's the quiet genius of the hybrid system. If you own a hybrid Toyota, you've probably noticed the engine behaves strangely at startup, running longer, shutting off unexpectedly, or hesitating in cold weather. Many assume something's broken. But this is not a bug, it's careful engineering. Toyota warms hybrid engines gradually to protect the battery, emissions components, and engine itself. It's why hybrid Toyotas are known to last hundreds of thousands of miles. Understanding this prevents panic, unnecessary trips to the dealer, and builds confidence in your vehicle. It's like having a silent coach that gently guides your car to peak efficiency before letting you hit the road. What happens when your key fob dies completely? Most people panic. But Toyota already thought of this. Every fob contains a passive RFID chip. Hold the fob close to the start button, and the car reads it, even with a dead battery. Suddenly, what could be a stressful, stranded moment becomes effortless. This is reliability in action. And it works every time because it doesn't rely on signals, batteries, or apps. Just a quiet, well-designed safety net. Ever noticed your automatic windows acting weird after a battery change? One touch up and down stops working, windows feel sluggish, or behave unpredictably. Many rush to the dealership, worried they've broken something. But this is intentional. Toyota windows rely on memory limits to know fully open and closed positions. A full reset is as simple as lowering the window completely, holding the switch, raising it completely, and holding again. Suddenly, everything works perfectly. It's protection disguised as inconvenience, preventing motor damage and pinch injuries. A 1-minute fix saves hours, dollars, and stress. Your doors behave smartly too. If you unlock your Toyota and don't open a door within a few seconds, it relocks automatically. It's not a glitch, it's a silent security system. Protecting against theft, children, or accidental presses, this system runs quietly in the background, doing its job without fanfare. Once you notice it, it stops feeling frustrating and starts feeling like a thoughtful companion, quietly ensuring your car is safe. Software glitches happen. Your multimedia system may freeze, respond slowly, or misbehave. Don't panic, and don't yank the battery. Toyota built in a soft reset. Hold the volume or power knob for several seconds, and the system reboots safely, preserving settings, personalization, and preventing unnecessary warning lights. It's like a reboot button for your car's brain, quietly keeping everything running without drama. Even something as simple as the clock can confuse drivers. Settings are often split between infotainment menus, steering wheel buttons, or vehicle menus. Disconnect the battery and the clock may reset. But once configured correctly, the system holds time accurately, avoiding repeated adjustments. It's a subtle feature, but one that touches your daily driving more than most people realize. And the Toyota app. Most owners stop at lock and remote start functions, missing deeper controls that manage vehicle access, battery usage, and guest permissions. Family members, teenagers, or temporary drivers can be given limited access, protecting the car and reducing surprises. Every hidden option in the app is a thoughtful safeguard that improves reliability without you even noticing it. Post-service quirks can also be misread as faults. Wheel alignment, battery replacement, or suspension work can change how lane assist reacts, steering feels, or adaptive cruise responds. In most cases, the car is just recalibrating itself. Cameras, yaw sensors, and steering angle sensors collect real-world data to gradually relearn optimal settings. Drive normally, and the system silently adjusts. This adaptive learning is designed to reflect real driving conditions, not static calibration. Understanding this prevents unnecessary panic and dealer trips. Driving modes behave intentionally too. Some Toyotas remember the last mode, others default to normal.
Why?
Engine protection, emissions control, and predictable startup behavior. Sport or Eco modes are temporary adjustments. Normal mode ensures the drivetrain and hybrid systems warm safely, reducing wear and protecting long-term reliability. It's a logic rooted in engineering foresight, not forgetfulness. Many drivers miss tire pressure displays entirely. They assume their car doesn't provide digital readings, but Toyota hides them in multi-information menus to reduce dashboard clutter. Steering wheel buttons reveal precise tire pressures, letting you maintain optimal inflation without a manual gauge. Proper pressure improves fuel economy, steering response, tire longevity, and reduces stress on suspension and brakes, all quietly improving daily driving. Toyota headlights aren't just on/off switches. They respond to ambient light, speed, and even windshield wiper activity. When wipers activate, the system assumes visibility is reduced and turns on headlights earlier. It's a proactive safety measure, reducing risk before you notice danger. Early activation may feel odd at first, but it's another example of Toyota quietly thinking for you. Interior lighting also hides subtle customization. Fade timing, door activation, and auto shutoff can often be adjusted through menus. These options reduce battery drain and tailor the experience to your habits. Toyota hides them not to frustrate, but to keep menus simple. Once adjusted, interior lighting feels personal, reinforcing the impression of thoughtful design. Even your key fob has a hidden battery saver. Keyless systems constantly communicate with the car, slowly draining batteries over time. Toyota includes a hidden sleep mode accessible via the fob that reduces background activity when parked long-term. Vacations, hospital stays, airport parking, suddenly your battery lasts longer without unnecessary replacements. This is reliability baked into the system, quietly preventing problems before they arise. Every feature we've covered, windows, hybrid logic, dead fob starts, memory resets, auto relocks, multimedia soft resets, clocks, apps, adaptive safety systems, driving modes, tire pressure menus, headlights, interior lights, and battery saver, is a layer of thoughtfulness that most owners never notice. It's a secret network of engineering foresight, silently protecting your car, your wallet, and your sanity. Understanding them turns a Toyota from a standard car into a trustworthy, intelligent companion that works with you, not against you. And the beauty of all this, these features are not optional. They're standard in many Toyota models, waiting for owners to discover them. But discovering them transforms your driving experience. Cars stop feeling confusing. Daily stresses are reduced. Reliability, longevity, and comfort improve dramatically, all from features already built into the vehicle. So here's my challenge for you: explore your Toyota. Dive into menus, test functions, understand behavior. Discover what your car already knows how to do. And if you've enjoyed this peek behind the curtain, hit that like button, subscribe for more insider insights, and share this video with friends who drive Toyotas. Comment below with your country and let me know which hidden feature blew your mind the most. Trust me, once you uncover these secrets, you'll never see your Toyota the same way again.